Hey folks, Brandon here with Out of Sight Gear. We're going to be unboxing the Dr.Fish Elf Reel. And we're going to put it on a compatible rod for some crappie fishing. I wanted something really light with some 4-pound test. Ooh, love the color. This is just for flipping. And I just wanted one really small reel. Like I said, just with 4-pound test for my 1/16 jigs. Let's read what we got here. 5+1 ball bearing, defrost reel lubricant. How many pound? Oh, 12-pound max drag. That's pretty impressive for a little reel like this. It feels like the entire thing is aluminum. Great Dr. Fish drag. And I'm going to be putting on this. This is just going to be so color coordinated. I'm going to be slapping this on my SlimeCat. Here we go. Oh yeah, we're working with it now. So this is my new combo, just for the small pitches for the crappie, 4-pound test. Here's the jigs I'm going to be using. Those are my jigs, Out of Sight. And for any other questions, I'm going to be putting the 4-pound crappie max line on there. So any questions, there's going to be a link below. You can click on that to check out the Dr. Fish reels, check out the SlimeCat rods, and I have some discount codes as well. But you're going to see some posts with this. I'm pretty excited to use this. Right? Give her a try. Take care.